MugJam is an app that can not only create stunning characters that look exactly like you, but it also has powerful video editing capabilities inbuilt. Every great video needs a face. If you had to choose to view a video of tiresome animations or a human face, which would you choose? Naturally, we all incline towards the human, which brings more credibility and honesty to the messaging. We are all wired to take an interest in the content that is more relatable and easily consumable. Therefore, having humans in the video can instantly connect with the viewers and instills a sense of trust. Humans in videos will not only result in more views and watch time, but they also make your viewers think that you actually care. While humans come out as clear winners when it comes to videos, there is a problem. Shooting videos can be a time-consuming and expensive process. Creating videos with humans is never easy. You'll need a lot of time and patience to rehearse your lines, put on makeup, and stand on the same spot for hours. You'll also require expensive gear to record and edit the videos that you record professionally. And if that is not enough, you'll need a professional video editor as well as a camera person to do the recording. MugJam pros and cons. Pros: no need for expensive video equipment. You don't need to have a video camera or hire an expensive videographer to create a video for your business or even a client's business. Customer avatars. If your customers don't have time to do a video for their business, you can use an image of your client to create the video yourself instead of hiring a random person at an additional expense. Avatar resolution. The avatar resolution is pretty good, I must say. When you compare the likenesses of the original photos with the 3D avatar images, they are very lifelike. Green screen background. You don't have to use the templates if you don't want to. You can import your avatar with a green screen background to third-party video editing apps like Camtasia. Many languages supported. MugJam supports over 144 languages, making it useful for creating videos that can be viewed in many countries. All major languages are supported as well as some of the less common languages such as Swahili, Urdu, Welsh, Yiddish and more. MugJam supplies a list of languages that can be viewed by going to link provided on the website. Unlimited projects. MugJam allows you to create as many projects as you like, no matter what package you choose. Windows or Mac, MugJam works on most browsers such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, and Opera, as it is a cloud-based application. Cons: looking very robotic. As I said above, the 3D avatar images that MugJam creates are of good quality, but that's kind of where it ends. When you look at a sample video and see the mouth and eyes moving, it definitely looks like a computer-generated person and looks quite robotic. You have to ask yourself if that's the image of yourself or your customer that you want out there. After all, if the avatar is going to be a face for your business, you have to decide if it's good enough. And do you really want something that's just good enough? Maximum video length is too short. If you make the minimum purchase of the premium package, the maximum video upload length is only 2 minutes. For the MugJam Pro package, the maximum length is only 5 minutes. No company information. MugJam Portuguese Escudos Limited seems to be a new company. Company information on the website indicates that it is registered and located in India, so there's no information on the BBB Better Business Bureau website. Getting support with MugJam. In order to get support here, you can email the support desk or create a support ticket. There's no phone number and the support address is in India. Final thoughts. If you've watched the video above, you will see that the guy looks pretty realistic, right? Almost. Yes. His eyes and mouth move, but is it realistic to you? Todd Gross and his developers have created a product that has lots of features but feels a little lacking. I'm not sure it's worth the time and effort to create an avatar and then create a video for your site when you can simply use YouTube. Not to mention the restrictions on the length of the video.